Because hustle does not have a basic step, like in swing dancing, we need to provide the leader with figures that he can use as a basic step. So if in swing dancing, you can just do the basic step for the whole 3-minute song, and you're dancing. In hustle, we don't have that option. We need to move from figure to figure. Now, as a beginner or novice dancer, you can use the hesitation step as a basic step, but we want you to get beyond that so that you're actually putting figures together. And the way we do this is we have a level 1 routine, which is a series of ladies' half turns, and we have at the beginning and end of the routine, we have what I call a bookend. And that's what we're going to look at in this video. So what you would do is a bookend, then the level 1 routine, and then another bookend. And then we'll have a level 2 routine and a level 3 routine. And then we'll have variations on the different level 1, level 2, and level 3 routines. And we have variations on the bookends. And this way, as a leader, you can keep mixing and matching until you get until your dancing gets natural and you don't have to think about what moves you're doing. So this is our first bookend, and the bookend consists of 2 send-outs, 2 cross-body leads, and we end all bookends with a send-out. And then from that send-out, we start our level 1, level 2, or level 3 routine. So let's look at this. We have 2 send-outs and 2 cross-body leads, followed by a send-out. Okay, this is me. I didn't cut my hair because my mother had passed away, so I have a beard and my hair's getting longer. Now let's go back, and we already know how to do the send-outs and the cross-body leads, but there's something to look at here. Let's go through this. Okay, we're going to do a cross-body lead here. Now, her hand is in a little bit better position. So it's not behind like it was before, and it's not on the arm down here. It's almost on the front. It's on the top, but it's getting closer. And watch what happens when we do the cross-body lead. This foot, if you remember, in the other cross-body leads, when her hand was around back, his foot was going that way. I don't know if you remember, but the foot went in that direction. He had to zig that way and zag that way to get around her. But now, this foot can go forward. Look at that. That's beautiful. So he waits until her 2 goes by. She's nice in front of him now. Not quite as much as if the hand was on the front of the shoulder, but it's much better. It's kind of in the front, right? We can see in the mirror here. It's on the front and on the top. Just bring that down just a tad. And push her just a little more around. And he's going to put his foot down right kind of to the inside of that foot of hers, but he's letting her foot go by first. So he's kind of getting this foot between her legs, which is what we want. Now he can go from here straight across. See, before he went this way and then that way. Now he's going straight across. Notice she's not off balance here. Look at that. She's nice. That's nice. Before she was, her shoulders were like about there. This is really good. And he's going straight across. They're real tight on the other side. That's good. And he's got it nice and easy all the way across. And he's going to be able to get around. and watch coming back. 1 and 2 going straight forward here, not going that way at all. That's much better. And look at that. Yes, see, before he was going that direction with his 2. And now he can come straight to where he wants to go. See her? She's nice. She's not off balance at all here. And he's not struggling to get across the other side. Oh, see how easy that was? No struggle. And this is all because, see, the hand is now, was up here, and now it's really getting almost where we want it. And look how easy that cross-body lead was. And we're going to end our bookend with a send out. Boom. And from here, the next figure, as we remember, our first figure in our, we'll see this soon, but our first figure we learned was to change places. And after the send out, he takes the second hand, and we're going to be ready to do the middle routine, the level 1 routine, which was change places. So let's look at the bookend from the top one more time. It's 2 send outs. 2 cross body leads, and of course, as always, no pushing or pulling, no tension or pressure. And end with a send out. Now you only need to take the second hand if what you're going to do next needs 2 hands, which it does. Okay, that's our level 1 bookend.